What's happening? This Johnny Snow back in the building. Today we're going to do a few things to this 92x RDO. All right, I have some night sights to put on it from Beretta. You know, the ones that glow. And if I can find it, I'm going to put this red competition trigger on here. Now, I've had issues. I have had issues where I can't really say that they're issues. This gun right here, this is my Gerson Regard MC, and this is the whiteout. And I put this flat face competition trigger on here, but it negated the double action on this weapon. So this is now just a single action gun. Now, this trigger retains the double action. So I'm going to go ahead and put it on here, change the trigger out. And this is a wider trigger. I don't know why I'm showing it to you in the back. Let me take it out of the bag. This is a wider trigger with finger grooves on it, where this is a thinner trigger on here and it's a smooth face. And this has a less aggressive curve than the stock trigger does. So, yeah, we're going to change that out and put that on here along with the Tritium, sights. And I actually have some grips that are coming from Finland for this. These grips came from Finland as well, and I have commissioned them to make me another set of grips, and they're not going to be War Chief grips on here. We're going to do something a little different on the 92x, but they are making them, and just like last time, I just have to be patient because it's going to take a minute for them to get here. But we're going to go ahead and run up here because, as I've said on all of my videos, I do not do trigger work. All right, I do not do trigger work. So we're going to run up here and let Shannon up at Arrowhead put my trigger on, and hell, I might as well let him put my sights on as well. So let's head on up here to Arrowhead. All right, we're here with Shannon.
In the middle of an ATF inspection.
In the middle of an ATF inspection. I should go show everybody what that looks like.
I won't say anything.
Yeah, in the middle of an ATF inspection. Well, this is the 92x RDO. It's already about to get some new items placed in it. And we were just discussing what to do about comrades. Here's a comrade right here. We have no idea what to do with those. They did not discuss them.
That lawsuit took 5 years to go through the court system.
Uh-huh.
To get shockwaves, etc., legal to manufacture.
Uh-huh.
So that one's already been through court.
Yes, it has. And, you know, I don't understand how they can say something is legal, let millions of people buy it, then just say, you know what? Nah, it's not legal. Throw it away. It's expensive, you know, and like you say, Fourth Amendment. So I don't know what to do. I know I'm taking... All right, so everybody's talking about it. That's an ATF dude back there. I'm just curious what their take on it would be. I think the set was, take this off and hey, go back to
looks like it used to have.
Yeah, it did.
I took the brace off.
Yeah.
This whole thing.
But I just couldn't get that off.
Yeah.
That's a Beretta trigger or an aftermarket trigger?
It's a Beretta trigger.
It fits.
Is this an other?
Yes, sir. That is straight from Beretta.
So it means but the valve is less than.
I will tell you though, no matter what, we'll just leave that off.
Yeah. Because they're probably going to say, well, the buffer tube doesn't need to be there for it to work. Because you could, yeah. I mean, it's not comfortable, but yeah, I wouldn't either. But that's
Maybe a 9
people.
mil less than that.
Yeah, I wouldn't want to shoot it either. But this
Well,
is, everybody's trying
I'm a
to get
dummy.
around the
Oh,
adaptation.
Too many
what?
things going on at once. So I got to put the spring back in.
Not you guys. But
It's going to want one.
Yeah, it's definitely going to want one. But there is a lot of things going on at work once. I'm hearing conversations that are very interesting.
Yeah, that'd be interesting to know. Because I thought if it didn't make it function, that it had to come off.
Yeah, no, because on the other side of the coin, if you're adding something to the barrel to add height to it, you know, as long as it is permanently affixed. So like if you had one with a brace on it and it had a 10-inch,
Well, with the
yeah,
reservoir.
exactly.
Damn screwdriver's magnetized.
Add some sort of muzzle device to it to make it 16 inches long.
Picking it
as
up.
long as it was permanent.
Oh, yeah. I see.
What's that?
Well,
Yeah, I mean, like I said, I don't know that there's anything wrong with this right now. If he wants to take it off now, he can. Yeah, let me just inventory it first, get it checked off the list.
How long you think this is going to take?
oh, if the last inspection's any indication, about a month or so.
Oh, goodness gracious.
They're going to do a 100% paperwork compliance check.
Oh, wow.
That's slightly over 13,000 forms.
13,000 forms.
That doesn't count the denieds and the expireds, which is probably another 2,500 forms. How long would it take you to check 16,000 forms? And they will probably only have 1 or 2 agents doing it.
Oh, my goodness. Wow. This is
They're going to be cross-eyed.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, they are. They're going to live here for a month is basically what I'm hearing.
The last 2 agents that inspected us retired after they did so.
Oh, wow.
Actually, it probably doesn't help when I laugh at them, but I wouldn't want to do it.
I know.
Cashier, please. Cashier.
I have the same people from Helsinki, Finland, making grips for this as well. It's probably going to take a little while.
Like I said, don't even know what kind of wood you find in Helsinki.
Mm-hmm.
Shannon, can I let you 1 second, please? Hey, Johnny. Arrowhead.
What's happening, Arthur?
I'll let you 1 second.
The other wrong.
Hey, Doug?
No, you owe me. You voided a ticket on a multi-sale. 404-850.
No, I mean, I think it went through.
No, 404-850 is missing.
That's the spring I never understood what.
It pushes the trigger bar up. That's how it disconnects.
Oh,
When the
okay.
slide comes back, it goes down.
Okay, I see.
Disconnects the trigger from the sear and allows the hammer to recoil.
Okay, okay. Never understood exactly what that spring did, but okay.
It flips out when you don't want it to. Tars uses the exact same spring.
I think Gerson, well, I'm pretty sure Gerson is the same.
That's what you need to.
Yeah, I think
Sorry about that.
Oh, you have to press them out?
Well, to knock them out, better I hang on to it, the easier it is.
Oh, okay, okay. I've never seen...
I'm gonna keep your finish on your gun.
Thank you, sir. I've never seen the sights being taken out before. I need to find a red dot to put in it. This is the one with the red dot cuts in it.
Doesn't it take a special mount?
Yes, it does.
Something to hit it with. Digging for a sack full of handcuff keys when you came in, so that's why I can't. Everything's a bigger jumble than normal.
I see all the handcuffs sitting over behind us. You have. Yeah, you got a lot of cuffs over here.
Hardwood dowel.
Okay.
Hopefully. Oh, it's better than that.
They are in there pretty good.
Paint the sight on the slide so you can see the flaw. Hopefully this covers.
Let's see.
Can't get it further through because the safeties are on. I'm going to snap it off at the valve.
That's why I bring these things to you. You have great problem-solving skills.
If I break it, I buy it. We're good.
Okay.
Awesome.
And that covered your paint flaws.
Oh, double awesome. Like I've said all the time, everybody bring your weapons up here to Arrowhead and let Shannon put his hands on it.
Start with the aluminum. That rear's painted in too.
Look like he's about to exercise. That is in there pretty good, I see.
Yeah.
Hard, I need a cashier.
Another layer or two.
Okay.
No metal guide rod yet?
Didn't even know it wasn't. I haven't even taken it apart. It's the first time it's been a part of everything. This thing is fresh out of the box. All right. And there we go. We have the new sights and we have the new trigger. And we are still double action, thank God. That was my mistake on that other trigger. So now I have a Volker that's going into the War Chief. All right. Shannon has worked his magic again.
All right, we've made it back from Arrowhead, and Shannon has done his thing. He has installed the trigger on it, and the trigger is awesome. The trigger is awesome. And we have these sights put on, the night sights. Let's see if I can get those in focus for you. There's the rear ones, and there's the front ones. So we are good to go on here. And I do have the grips coming in from Helsinki, Finland. They'll probably be about a month or two before they get here. So, you know, I'm patient. It's all good. Now, if you want to follow the journey that I take this on, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe, notifications, and Johnny Snow up out of here.